In this video, we will show you how to borrow money from Bybit. If you guys want to get started with Bybit, you can use the links down in the description. First, open the Bybit app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in into your account to access all features. Now tap on the More option in the menu. This will display additional features and tools available on the platform. Then scroll down until you find the Crypto Loans option and tap on it. This will take you to the loan section. Here, start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to borrow. Choose the coin that fits your needs from the available options. Next, enter the amount you wish to borrow in the designated field. Make sure it aligns with your requirements and available limits. Then input the amount of collateral you're willing to provide. The collateral ensures security for the loan. After that, select the account you want to use for the transaction. Now choose the loan terms and review the hourly or annual interest rate to decide what works best for you. Finally, check the box to agree to Bybit's terms and conditions and tap Start Borrowing to complete the process. And that's it, you've successfully initiated a crypto loan on Bybit. So that's how to borrow money from the Bybit. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Bybit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.